Hey, what's up guys, iSaurabh here. In this video I am going to show you how to download Visual Studio Code in your MacBook. First open Safari. Let me expand it in full screen. Go to search box and type Visual Studio Code. Go to first result. It will automatically detect your operating system. You can also download for other OS such as Windows and Linux. Now click on Download Mac Universal. The file starts to download. Go to Downloads. It will take some time depending on your download speed. Visual Studio Code has been downloaded. Now close Safari and open Finder. Go to Downloads. Here we find Visual Studio Code. Select and drag it to Applications. Now close Finder. Open Launchpad. Now swipe Next. This is Visual Studio Code. Open it. Click on Open. Visual Studio Code has been installed in my MacBook. Now we can create a new file or open any file through it. In the next video, I will explain how to get started with C and C++ in Visual Studio Code on MacBook. That's all. Thanks for watching.